we got a 1073 set up southeast of suspect last known 20.
I got him on visual. He's on me. He's not letting me get around him.
Welcome back. Mossy 5734, guys, back with a bit of a different RC series. So I've kind of gone back into 110 scale, guys, and here's some body shells I'm going to be showing you. Accessories and cars. So yep, here's some 110 scale cars and a box filled with goodies. So check this out, stay with me on this little journey, guys, and let's get these little beasts souped up. Let's get them crazy. So there's some clear bodies and some painted ones, and the painted one, guys, you're gonna want to see because they look awesome. Anyhow, let's crack on with this little journey and stay RC tuned. Mossy 5734, don't go nowhere. Let's get on. Okay, on to our next out of the 110 scale bad boy, badass, bonanza body shells. I think I know what this is and I like it, guys. Like I mentioned before, I've kind of got drawn towards the Sylvia. The box opens a funny way, opens on the side. That's a bit weird. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know why, but the Sylvia seemed to have tickled my fancy, man. It was the R34 and the Fair Lady that I liked, but okay, let's get some of this wrapping off. Oh, this is nice, man. Woo, this is nice. Yep. As you can see, there's lights at the front. Yeah, we've got a kind of roll cage, it's got a bit of weight to it. We've got an exhaust, we've got lights at the back as well. And this is in a nice black. And it's got the body kit that's been pinned onto, well, screwed onto it. Yeah, it's got them little, it's got toe plates, it's got the actual mounts as well. Wow. Okay, we'll put it on the display stand, guys, so we'll get a good look at it. Obviously it's just a bit of a rough look at the moment. Wow, it looks nice though, them lights look crisp. The way that they're, yeah, they're very bright, very nice. There's no light kit fitted, but that's not a problem. Wow. That's kind of mean. I like that. So obviously, obviously with that kit, it's not just your run-of-the-mill Sylvia body shapes. That kit is bringing out the beast, and it looks much more different. So let's try it out. Let's put it on the stand. Have a look at it. Wow, that looks nice, man. It does, and you can have that backlight in the exhaust. You know, looks like it's giving out a flame. But yeah, with a light kit in that, I mean, that could be a drifting body, could also use it on road. I'm a little bit worried about the front, because even though it's screwed on, I think one bad knock crash, and that's the end of that. The red roll cage looks amazing. I was kind of tempted to put some decals on that, guys. Yeah, I don't know if I've shown you some of the decals that I've got, but I was thinking about putting some it's a decal with like a Japanese warrior and the Japanese flag. I thought it looked pretty cool because the red and black's kind of on there anyway. Thought I'd just add to it, put a bit more life on it. I really want to put it on the roof of the car and a bit on the sides. But even plain, it looks pretty cool. If you guys think it looks cool as it is, let me know, guys, because I don't want to ruin it. Right? The main reason why I was thinking about putting it on the sides was to stop the sides being, you know, the paint getting worn away when you drift next to each other in tandem. So just to protect that, so the shell's still kind of preserved and looking pristine and nice. But that definitely is nice. I mean, I was going to put chrome wheels underneath it. I thought, let me just try. These wheels seem to work with everything. Let me just try these, and I don't know because they're red nuts, but it seems to have gone with it. But I will be putting chrome wheels under it as well, just to have a look at how it looks. Because black and chrome just has this beautiful contrast. It just looks amazing. So Yep. I don't know what you guys think. I kind of like that. I think it looks pretty cool, man. Really like them Rio lights. That's nice. I wonder if they were already coloured like that, because that looks really good. Quite a long body shell. I should have moved it forward a little bit. But yep. I don't know. Let me know, guys. Actually, let me know which is your favourite body shell out of all the 110 scale ones that I've got. Because these are the two. I've got the Ferrari 458 and this Silvia that have the body kit, the extended fenders on it, which I think looks mean. Looks proper mean. It might look a bit more meaner in a matte black, but it still looks mean though. It is doing the business. And its shells that nice, you don't want to ruin. I've got loads that I could use as basher shells. Them will be for race vids. I can definitely see that in a race vid. Looking mad. So yeah, stay tuned and be ready for that, guys, because they will be coming up soon. And there's not much I need to do to that. Maybe just a few decals. If I do a street race vid, I won't have decals on it. It'll just be like that. But if it's just going to be one that's going to be a drift one, I will have decals plastered on it. Looking crazy. I used to have an S15 shell that were just plastered with decals, but it looked mad. It looked totally crazy. Anyway, let's move on.